Hello, for the 2026 New Jersey State Science Day contest, we came up with precision probes, a simple probe with specialized enzymes inside to aid with the cleaning of the American cyanamide site. But first of all, we need to know what is a Superfund site? A Superfund site is a contaminated location in the United States, such as an abandoned landfill, mine, or industrial facility. It is designated by the Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, for long-term cleanup of hazardous waste. Now let's see, how do these sites affect the natural and human environment? In the case of humans, being nearby the toxins in Superfund sites can lead to cancer, asthma, seizures, and hormonal disorders. Moreover, studies have shown that areas with Superfund sites have an overall lower life expectancy, which can be really terrible for marginalized communities that are already suffering so much. For the environment, the chemicals in a Superfund site can cause water contamination, soil and habitat destruction, and air pollution. Now, let's go over the site that we chose to work on, the American Cyanamide site in Bridgewater, New Jersey. It is a former chemical manufacturing facility, and it has long-term soil contamination from decades of industrial chemical production. There is a presence of toxic organic pollutants that are concentrated in unevenly distributed subsurface areas. There have been attempts to help clean the site using enzymes, but the problem is that natural enzymes rapidly lose activity in the soil, which makes them ineffective, and it leaves the pollutants that threaten not only the Superfund site itself, but the lives of those living around it, showcasing the need for new cleanup methods. Now for our solution, which has three parts to it. Firstly, toxin-specific artificial enzymes. These are protein-designed artificial enzymes that are made specifically to target PAHs and PCPs, which are chemicals that are very persistent in the contaminated soil in the American cyanamide site. These enzymes are made to initiate their breakdown into less toxic compounds. The enzymes are put in biodegradable polymer beads and then covered with a hydrogel biopolymer matrix which acts as a shield. This ensures slow and controlled release into the soil. Thirdly, a delivery mechanism, which is a passive non-electronic probe that is inserted directly into the hotspot contaminated soil. Now for the positive impact on marginalized communities. Communities near the Superfund sites often face larger health risks, like greater chances of illness due to environmental pollution and toxic chemicals. The proposed targeted enzyme delivery system helps to address these inequalities through a remediation approach that is less disruptive, more cost-effective, and able to focus treatment directly on the toxic soil hotspots.